Hi, I'm Sangeeta. I am proud alumnus from 2016 batch, Department of Electrical and Electronics, ATME College of Engineering, Mysore. I am a senior associate at Morgan Stanley, Bangalore, and I'm currently working from home. I graduated in the year 2016, and my experience and journey in the college has been amazing. I cannot tell you the memories, and I am so very proud to be an alumni of the college. I did not just learn theoretical knowledge from my academics, but also got this immense support and the amount of knowledge I inculcated from the faculties, from the sessions where they would provide us various platforms like various committees, various science display exhibitions where we could showcase our interest in our respective subject. So I believe the college has been doing great in improving the education system of the college and making it student centric by providing the students good quality studies and good infrastructures in the college, which has been in a way helping ATME reach greater heights in a very short span. About the placement department, I highly appreciate the efforts put in by the lecturers and the department members, where they would provide all the final year students by getting various companies, provide students, attend interviews, and yes, where in my final year I got placed with the company Amazon from the college, and I worked for 3.5 years in Amazon, and now here am I. One thing in my department that I think I will always cherish is the student mentor support system, where all my faculties, all the staff members would put in their extra effort, extra hours in making materials, providing resources, conducting counselings for students, getting to know interest of the students for their future, help a student shape his interest in how he want to land himself, get a job is what I highly appreciate, and I will always cherish. I would want to thank my wonderful HOD, our dear HOD, and all the faculty members, all the staff members in supporting and how they provide immense assistance in learning the subject and prepare the student for the future. By this, I would want to wind up advising with a little advice for all the future engineers who are currently studying in the college. Please make the most out of it, because believe me, you are in a great place. And for the aspiring students who would want to be an engineer, I kindly request you to go visit the campus, explore the college, and make good and right decisions for your future. And yes, by this I want to wish all the very best, and all the best wishes and more laurels and good accomplishments in the future for the college. Thank you.